In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a task manager in Notion from scratch. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will help you create an organized and dynamic space for managing your workload efficiently. First, let's open Notion. Head over to their website at activesU.notion.so. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, setting up a free account is quick and easy. Once inside, you'll find yourself in a versatile workspace that can be customized to fit your needs. Now, to create your dedicated Task Manager page, look over at the left sidebar. You'll see an option to create a new page indicated by a small plus sign next to plus new page. Click on that, and a prompt will ask you to name your new page. For simplicity, let's call it Task Manager, or perhaps My Tasks, whichever suits you best. Then choose to create an empty page, providing you with a blank slate to build your system. Within this newly created page, it's time to add a database in table view. Type the / followed by table. You'll notice an option labeled Table Inline. Selecting this turns your page into a table, which is a fantastic format for organizing tasks at a glance. Let's proceed by setting up the columns in our table. Start renaming and adding columns that cater to your task management needs. For instance, you might include columns like Task Name for brief descriptions like Finish Report, Due Date to highlight deadlines such as Oct. 7, 2025, Priority to flag tasks as high, medium, or low, Status to mark current progress such as To Do, In Progress, or Done, and finally Category to classify tasks, be it work, personal, or study. To add a column, simply click +Add Property, then choose the appropriate type, such as Select or Date, to match your content. Once your columns are set, it's time to populate your table with tasks. Click +New underneath the table to start adding entries. For each task, fill in the respective columns. Take, for example, if you're planning to write a presentation, you would set the task name to Write Presentation, Due Date to Oct. 8, 2025, Priority to High, Status as To Do, and Category as Work. After your tasks are in place, enhance your view with a board view, which offers a Kanban-style layout similar to Trello. Click the drop-down at the top left of your table, typically labeled Default View, and select +Add a View. Choose Board and name it Task Board, then group by status to effortlessly drag cards from To Do to In Progress, and finally to Done. To get a bird's-eye view of your tasks over time, add a calendar view. Again, click +Add a View, opt for Calendar, and call it Task Calendar. Make sure to link the date property to due date, so all your tasks neatly plot themselves according to deadlines. Lastly, for an extra layer of clarity, let's add colors. By clicking on the settings for either the status or priority properties, you can assign eye-catching colors, perhaps high-priority tasks in red, medium in yellow, and low in green. This visual cue makes it much easier to assess your priorities at a glance. And there you have it, a structured, vibrant task manager ready to boost your productivity. Thanks for following along, and I hope your new system proves as beneficial as you need it to be.